This is Library Idol. Welcome back to our judges, Dandy Action.
What's up, dog?
Holly the Cool.
Hey, Brian.
And Ryman Towels. Ready to hear from our first idols for this week's competition. Singing Pumping Up the Library is Darby, Madison, and Madeline.
Hey, get up, get loud, start pumping up the library. It's not the same old, same ground. We don't feel we're wasting time. It's not so bad because we have found a better way. It's all there, let's go. Alabama Virtual Library has all you need. That's why we say the ABL can start a revolution. So check it out today.
Very well done, ladies. Let's hear from our judges. Dandy.
Yo, dog, that was kicking. You did your thing, you know what I mean?
Well, I could really tell you had your heart in it.
Personally, I thought it was ghastly.
Okay. Well, you're never the one to tell us what you really think. We have some rockers in the house. Give it up for Elliot, Andrews, and Tiffany singing We Love Our Library.
What do you believe in your smart boards? Interactive games gonna be a big reader. Now we use Athena on the computer, finding our books all over the place. We love our library.
It's all good, dog. That's your style of music. Good job.
Awesome. In my opinion, you're all winners.
Remember to vote for your favorite, and thanks for tuning into Library Idol. Request out.